Today I get to pack this Teach Me Mama box full of learning activities for a very special, very brave little boy that has been going through a lot this year, and his beautiful little sister. So have a look what goes inside the box. This is a little pom-pom shape activity, so they get to match the correct color pom-poms with the correct shape. A great color matching activity for little hands and in 2 different languages. Another pom-pom activity, this one is to help them learn the number values. And once they start getting a little older, they can start using our 5-star wheel. And a number match activity where they'll first match the colors together, later the numbers, and then learn the correct order that the numbers go in. And of course, they need to know how to spell their names, so this is a great activity for name recognition and helping them know which letter goes in what order to be able to spell their own names.